Do you want to learn how to make your very own Jamaican black castor oil? Well, you are at the right place because in today's video, I'm going to share with you, my people, how to make Jamaican black castor oil. This has never ever before shared on the channel. So I am going to take you through the step by step, so you can make your very own. And we all know that castor oil is known for its many benefits. It treats dandruff, it moistures our hair, it promotes hair growth, it treats acne, and it even relieves muscle pain. And not only that, castor oil has a ton of benefits. So I'm going to share with you exactly what I do to make my Jamaican black castor oil. So if you want to try it out and make it for yourself, well, stick around because I'm going to give you all the details. So here you can see I'm washing the beans just to make sure that the beans are clean, because when the beans are clean, then you know that our oil is clean. So I wash the beans. Now I am roasting the beans, and you can roast the beans as long as you like, whether for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes, but just know that the longer you roast the beans, then the darker the oil is. So if you want the dark oil, roast the beans longer. If you don't want your oil to be that dark, yeah. So I am roasting the beans, then I am going to blend the beans. Yes, guys, blend the beans. Before, I used to pound the beans in my with my mortar stick, but I have moved away from that, yeah, and I am blending it. This is so much easier, yeah, because pounding, guys, it would take forever. And that's how our grandparents in Jamaica used to make it, but I have upgraded somewhat. And I am blending the beans with some water. All right, so this is it. Blend the beans, and then we are going to put it on the stove. And this process, it takes a very long time, but if you have time, then don't worry yourself. All right, here I am putting it on the coal stove or wood fire. So I would recommend using your fancy stove top because, well, if you have the money and you don't mind your electric bill, but back home JPS or overseas TCO or whichever is your electric company, charging you for they will have a field day. So I am using the wood fire. It's made outside, and I have poured the mixture in, and I will allow this to boil for as long as it takes. Sometimes 5 hours. And it depends, guys. It depends on a number of things. Look at it now, guys. It has been there for a while, and if you look closely, you can see the oil on top. This is what you want to see. All right. So I'm gonna skim the top part off. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying here, but I skim the top part off, and then I transferred it to my gas stove. I still didn't put it on the stove top, yeah, but I transferred it to the gas stove and allowed it to boil for a few more minutes. Then I transferred, oh, I lost that clip. I transferred it to another pot, and this now would have the final amount of oil, and this is what I got. So guys, I used, let me give you the proportion so you know what to do when you're doing it. I used 5 pounds of beans with about 2 gallons of water, and I allowed it to boil for approximately 5 to 6 hours. And I'm seeing the oil, then I would skim the oil from the top and put it in another pot and allow it to boil until I see more oil. So the more oil you see coming up, because the bean is going to give you the oil. And this is what I got. It's a long process, but if you have the time, if you have the beans, go ahead and make your very own Jamaican black castor oil. It can be used for a lot of things. To find out some of the many benefits of using black castor oil, you can click on the end screen and watch that video.